Hello students of class 10 General Maths Construction Chapter 11 Construction Chapter 11 Class 10. Now here exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Here, draw a line segment 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Now here you have to draw a line of 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter. We name it BC. And now taking any acute angle, we draw a line of 13 centimeter. Say this is 13 centimeter. Now I am going to divide it into 13 equal parts. Instead of compass, I am taking the help of directly from the scale. 13 equal parts, each of 1 centimeter. 13 equal parts, each of 1 centimeter. Each of 1 centimeter. This. Now I am going to join the last part and this with C. Going to join the last part with C here. Now I am going to mark this as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10, B11, B12, B13. Now at point B, I am going to draw a line parallel to B13. At point B, I am going to draw a line parallel to CB3 because it is given in the ratio 5:8. 5:8. So 5 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3, 4, 5 part here. And so I am going to draw a line parallel to CB13. Of any radius, I am going to make an arc. Of any radius, I am going to make an arc, and keeping the radius constant at point B, I am going to make a similar arc. Now I am going to take the measure this angle. Take the measure of this angle by the help of a compass. I am going to take the measure of this angle. So see this angle. Now I am going to mark the angle here. Mark the angle here. Now I am going to join this point, with BC. You must see that this line must look parallel to this because these corresponding angles are equal. So this line is parallel to this, and this is C dash. So this is question number 1. So here BC dash by C dash C is equal to 5:8. This is the construction. Now the steps of construction you will have to write because this is necessary to write the steps of construction. So to write the steps of construction, that is, first a line BC of measure 7.6 centimeter is drawn. Second, taking any acute angle at B13 of measure 13 centimeter is drawn and divided into 13 equal parts, Third, CB13 is joined. Now fourth, at B5 a line is drawn, parallel to CB13, which intersect BC at C dash. So your BC dash by C dash C is equal to 5/8. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. We go to question number 2. Question number 2 again. Here you see construct a triangle of side 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and then a triangle similar to its whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So first of all I will draw a triangle. Of measures 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. So let me draw a triangle. First of all I am taking the base as 6 cm. Here I am taking the base as 6 cm. And now here I am drawing other measures of other side. That is, first one is 4 cm and the second one is 5 cm. Now we name this side as BC. Now taking this as 4 cm, measure 4 cm. Here this 4 cm is measure 4 cm. I draw an arc. This is an arc of radius 4 cm and another an arc 5 cm. Taking C as the point, I am drawing another arc of radius 5 cm which cuts the previous arc at point A. Now your AB and AC are joined. So this is the required triangle. I have to draw a similar triangle which is of the ratio 2/3. So taking any acute angle, I will draw a length of 6 cm because here 2:3, 3 cm will be very small. So I have just enlarged it. I have made it double, 6 cm, and divide it into 3 equal parts. Of taking an acute angle of any measure at point B, I am drawing a line of 6 cm, drawing a line segment of 6 cm here and dividing it into 3 equal parts. Dividing it into 3 equal parts. Now I name this as B1, B2 and B3. B3 and C is joined. Here B3 and C is joined. Now at B2, since it is in 2:3 ratio, since it is in 2:3 ratio, therefore at B2 I will draw a line parallel to this, parallel to B3C. So by the help of compass, taking any measure, and taking B3 as the center, I am going to draw an arc which intersects these two lines, and keeping the radius same, I am going to draw an arc at B2. Now I will measure this angle. By the help of the compass. I will measure this angle. And now I will cut it here. This. Now I am going to join this and B2 point. Going to join this and this B2 point. See this, and this is C dash. Now again that is CB3 is parallel to C dash B2, and again at C of any measure I am going to draw an arc which intersects the two arms of the triangle, keeping the radius constant as C dash. I am going to draw another arc here, and now I am going to measure this angle. So this angle is, I am going to measure this angle. See here, I am going to measure this angle and I am going to cut it here. Measure this angle and I am going to cut it here. See, going to cut it here. Now I am going to join this. I am going to join this. So this is A dash. So A dash BC dash is the required triangle. So A dash BC dash is the required triangle, and A dash BC dash is similar to ABC. Here triangle A dash BC dash is similar to triangle ABC. Now here steps of construction. First, a triangle ABC of measure 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter is drawn. At point B, taking any acute angle B3 of measure 6 centimeter is drawn. And divided into 3 equal parts. I have divided this into 3 equal parts. Now at point B2, a line is drawn parallel to CB3 which intersect BC at C dash. Now again a line is drawn through C. Through C dash. A line is drawn through C dash parallel to CA which intersect AB at A dash. So your A dash B C dash is the required triangle, and here A dash B by AB, that is equal to B dash C by BC, is equal to A dash C dash by AC, that is equal to 2 by 3. Now I am going to question number 3. Question number 3, we have to construct a triangle. With sides 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. Then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So here you see one thing. First of all, I am going to draw a triangle. Taking base as 7 cm. Base is the 7 cm, and other measures are 5 cm and 6 cm. Now this is BC. Now by the help of compass, this is 5 cm. This is 5 cm. So I draw an arc of radius 5 cm. And another, it is 6 cm. I draw an arc of 6 cm. Another arc of 6 cm, which cuts the previous arc at A. Now I am going to join this AB, and AC. Now at B, I am going to draw an line of any measure, an acute angle of any measure. A line is drawn through B. Acute angle of any measure, a line is drawn through B of measure 7 cm. And now I divide it into 7 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have divided this into 7 equal parts. So this is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Now since this is the ratio given is 7 by 5, so this fifth number will be joined with C. And now I have to produce this BC. Now taking any measure, I draw an arc here at B5. I draw an arc of any measure. I draw an arc which cuts these two lines. Now taking B7 as the center and keeping the radius constant, I again draw an arc. Now I measure this angle. Now I measure this angle. This is the angle, and the same angle is drawn here. The same angle is drawn here. Now I am going to join B7 and this point. Going to join B7 and this point, B7 and this point, which see this much. This is light. It has become slight bend, but it must be parallel to here. The point has non. It has. There is some defect while drawing this line. There is a slight defect. Light defect while drawing this line. The point is here. Point is here. This is the line, because this must be parallel to this, because corresponding angles are equal. Now again, of any measure, I draw an arc taking C as the center. Of any measure, I draw an arc taking C as the center, which intersects these two arms of the triangle. Keeping the radius constant, I again draw an arc here. Now I measure this angle. Now I measure this angle. See, I measure this angle. And intersect here. With same angle is drawn here, which is also called as transposing. I produce this further. Here, and now this point and this point, it is drawn. A line is drawn. So see, this is C dash and this is A dash. So here A dash BC dash is the required triangle, and triangle this ABC is similar triangle A dash BC dash. Your steps of construction. First, a triangle ABC of measure 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter is drawn. At point B, taking any acute angle, at point B, taking any acute angle, B7 is drawn of measure 7 centimeter and is divided into 7 equal parts. Third, B5C is joined. B5C is joined. B5C is joined. Fourth, at B7 a line is drawn parallel to B5C, which intersect BC produced at C dash. Again, at C dash, a line is drawn parallel to CA, which intersect BA produced at A dash. So we get from here, so therefore your A dash B C dash is the at C dash or at B7 a line is drawn through B7. Similarly at C dash a line is drawn through C dash parallel to CA, B7 parallel to B5C. Therefore A dash B C dash is the required triangle, and here your A dash B by AB is equal to B dash BC dash by BC is equal to A dash C dash by AC. This will be equal to 7 by 5. So this is the steps of construction, and steps of construction you can write it yourself. I have just given a format how to write the steps of construction. It depends upon you. You can write it yourself, the steps of construction. Only you have to state what you have done while drawing the figure, what you have done. So you can write steps of construction yourself. I have written here only the format so that it becomes easy for you to write the steps of construction. Now question number 4. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So here first of all I have to draw a triangle. 8 centimeter, Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector. Here say this is BC. I am now going to draw a perpendicular bisector. This is your perpendicular bisector. And now altitude is 4 centimeter. So see, altitude, this is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This point is your A. Now join this. Again, taking any acute angle, I draw 3 centimeter. Let it be, make it 6 centimeter. 3 by 2, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and divide it into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3, and I have divided this into 3 equal parts. Now this is B1, B2, B3. Now join B2C. Now join B2C, B2C. Now here again B2 as the center, B2 as the center. I am going to draw an arc, this arc, and keeping the radius same at B3, I am going to draw an arc. Now I am going to take the measure of this angle, measure of this angle, measure of this angle, and I am going to intersect here, like this. Now BC is produced, BC is produced, BC is produced. Now join this, join this here. Again at C, taking a measure of any radius, I am going to draw an arc which intersects the two arms of the circle. Keeping the radius same, I am drawing here an arc. Now taking the measure of this angle, measure of this angle, this measure of this angle, going to draw a similar here. Now BA is produced, BA is produced, yes, see BA is produced, BA is produced. Now this point and this point I am going to join this. So this is C dash and this is A dash. So here triangle ABC is similar triangle A dash B C dash. So steps of construction, steps of construction. First, a triangle ABC of measure 8 centimeter and altitude that is AD of measure 4 centimeter is drawn. A triangle ABC of measure 8 centimeter and altitude that is AD, or it is better to say, or it will be better to if we say like this, it will be better if we say like this, that is first BC of measure 8 centimeter is drawn. The perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn. Perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn. Here perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn. Perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn. That is AD, third AD of measure 4 centimeter is drawn. Fourth, AB and AC is joined. Therefore, ABC is a triangle. Now, through B, a line is drawn, that is BB3 of measure 6 centimeter and divided into 3 equal parts and divided into 3 equal parts and divided into 3 equal parts divided into 3 equal parts and divided into 3 equal parts. Now your B2C is joined. B2C is joined through B3. A line is drawn parallel to B2C, which intersect BC produced at C dash. Again, 8, through C dash a line is drawn parallel to CA, which intersect BA produced at A dash. Therefore, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now, A dash B by AB is equal to BC dash by BC is equal to A dash C dash by AC is equal to 3 by 2. So the steps of construction: BC of measure 8 centimeter is drawn. The perpendicular bisector of BC is drawn, that is AD. AD of measure 4 centimeter is drawn, and now AB and AC is joined, therefore ABC is the triangle. Through B, taking any acute angle, a line is drawn, that is BB3 of measure 6 centimeter is drawn. 6 centimeter is drawn and divided into 3 equal parts. B2C is joined. Through B3 a line is drawn parallel to BC produced, which intersects through B3 a line is drawn parallel to B2C, which intersects BC produced at C dash. Through C dash a line is drawn parallel to CA, which intersects BA produced at A dash. Therefore, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Therefore, A dash by B is equal to B dash by BC is equal to A dash by AC, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is your construction. So now I can one more question I can do for you. That is question number 5. That is the rest you can do it yourself. If you try this, the same procedure has been used which I have drawn up to now. you can draw it yourself.